Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial for Learn AutoCAD through examples. Today I would like to continue the lessons how to use dimension lines. In previous activity we already managed to mark most of the dimension styles in that sketch, and I would like to extend your learning through this activity as well. So here you can see there is a lot of circles and some text over here. So let's begin to mark dimensions on this activity. So to do that you have to open the previous activity that we finished already. Let me open this one, activity 11, and this is the sketch. It is opened on AutoCAD already. Now I would like to make a dimension layer to mark dimensions. Click new layer, let me call it as dimensions, and let it be by default coloring and continuous line. Close it and change your layer into dimension. Then you can go to annotate. Here you can change the details. For the dimension, I prefer go manage dimension style, and I'm gonna use the standard style rather ISO 25. Let me use standard, and you can, if you want to set as a current one, you can click here set current. So current dimension style is standard, you can see here. Now you can modify this one. And for the lines and all, let it be by default. Symbols and arrow, the arrow size is too small because this template is already in millimeters, so I put 3 millimeter here as arrow size. And the text height also very small as now. I'm gonna put 4 millimeter as text height. And the primary units, here I'm going to choose 0.00. That's it. These are the main settings that you need to change. And symbols and arrows, so I don't want any center mark, so that I'm going to choose none over here and close it. Okay, then close. So now the dimension manager is ready. We can mark the dimension from here. So go here and select the dimension. If you want to mark diameter, choose diameter. And come over here, pick the circle that you want. So let me pick this one, click. So diameter is coming with the symbol for diameter, click there. Use the space bar to take the tool again and mark this diameter. And I'm gonna choose this circle and mark it here. And you can even mark this as well. And in case you want to mark this as radius, you can change this as well. Choose circle with the radius and choose this one, click and mark it as a radius. So whether it is diameter, radius, informations are same. And then I'm going to choose some more diameters. We have to mark this as well. Pick this circle, come over and click. So that's it. And if anything is pending, you can mark that as well. This one, so choose diameter. I'm going to select this circle and this circle. Yes, we already marked it. Fine. And then this distance, for that one you can choose linear and pick this point up to this, click, move up 8. And if you want to write typical, just double click and use your arrow key to move towards your right, comma. You can write TYP. That's it. So the important thing here, how to mark angles here. So let me take angular as usual and pick this line and then this line. Your angle will come this way, mark it there. Now here a new thing, you can see it's written centered here. So mark centered, you can write it there, but you need to rotate it. To do that kind of thing, you can insert a multi-text and you can write it here. I'm going to write centered, and then if you want, you can change the text style as well. Let it be like this and click. Now if you want to rotate, select this one, go home, and here you have your rotation tool. Select that one and you can simply pick this one and you can rotate it like this. And take this one and move this way and adjust it here. So it's look nice as now. So in case if you want to rotate any text, you can choose the rotate tool which we used in previous activities. So we almost finished these things, and now we want to mark the start point 100, 180. So to mark start point, I will choose this leader tool from here. Click here, leader. I'm gonna start from this point, click, come over here. Now I can mark start X value and Y value. The X is 100, 180. 100, 180. Enter. That's it. So click there. And if you're seeing this thing is moving out of the border, you can simply select and pick this point and you can adjust it once you insert the leader. So it's also possible. So this is how you can mark dimensions over the sketch. Let me check. Yeah, one thing is pending here, to simply mark 8 and 4. To mark that one, you can choose again linear. Pick these 2 points. 8 is coming. And one more, I'm going to pick from the center up to this side. You can see 4 is coming. That's it. So it's all about what you want and which tool that you're selecting to insert a dimension. So that's the end of this activity. The main catch here, how to insert dimensions as well as how you can rotate a text as per the requirement. And then how to mark angles. All these things are we did in previous activity. This is one more dimension marking activity to learn things more clearly. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I will come with other activities soon possible.